my name is Marco and welcome to the Model Gene. In today's video, I'll be answering the question, what is a fit model? When fashion designers are developing their new collections, they are using fit models throughout the design process. Fit models are models that are used to try on clothing samples in order to make adjustments according on how they look on the model. Their body proportions and measurements are the ideal sample that designers make the collection off of, and when the pieces go into production, the other sizes are adjustments of that original sample. Without the help of a fit model, it is really impossible for designers to have a clear idea of how the garments will function in real life. Yes, mannequins are used throughout the design process, but the fit model shows what the garments look like in motion. There are so many designers who think of clothes in 2D, and it really shows in the ill-fitting, lumpy clothes they produce, but consistent use of a fit model can help with these issues. Due to the constant need for the fit model throughout the design process, designers typically have one fit model that they use regularly and for several years. At some point, those fit models become an extended member of the design team given how much time they spend together. Although the models used for runway shows and campaigns are replaced super frequently, fit models have a more permanent position in the brand. Many of those fit models do not do other modeling work in order to remain more available for their loyal client and also to establish a more predictable work rhythm. Please let me know if you have any other questions about fit modeling in the comments below, and subscribe for more videos like this in the future. Thank you.